Volley friends, this is Bentong Diggers versus Young Guns at Talisay, Malaubang, Osami City. Spike, dug up by Bentong. Doy. Set for the counter. Hulog. Sir Christian, Imba, and Bentong. Hulog, who puts it away. Now serving Bentong. Set. And down the line hit by the Young Guns. Set again. Free ball for the Bentong Diggers. Bentong set to Imba. Check ball with an off the block hit. Set. Setting jab. Back set. Down the line. Service ace by Bentong. Another ace. Set. And down the line hit over the blocker. Doy, Bentong, Hulog, and now serving the Young Guns. And Imba through the block. Set. And Bentong is dug by the Young Guns. Placement is still in place. Set. And not over for win. Yan. Service ace. Set. Cross-court attack. Dug up by Bentong, Sergio, and Imba on his smart move. Now serving Caminio. Set. Make it open. Doy. Back to the center. Not defended. Set. Up. Check ball. Now setting. Imba. Cross-court attack. Score. Bentong. Now serving. Service ace. Another. For the attack. In a strong hit. Caballero. Number 4 now serving. And Imba. Hulog. Score. Bentong for the target. 1-2 play by Caminio. Now serving jersey number 19. Doy. There's a call. Net touch. Good. Nagkahiyaan. And for the change court, Bentong for the target. Set. Yan. Imba, Sergio, and Imba adjusts. Nagkagulo. Another score, another set. Ball in. Caballero. Service ace by Bentong. Another serve. 2 in a row. Another serve. Nice this time. A good receive. And Caballero on a string hit for the serve now. Caballero. Service ace. Now serving Sir Christian. Back set. Not over. Now Christian serving with received by Caballero, and Caballero ball out. Now Imba serving. Set. And Hulog. There's a do not hold at zone number 3. Bentong now receives. Sergio for the set. Binigay kay Doy. Overset for the counter. Caballero who puts it away. Now serving for the Young Guns. Set to Doy again. Check ball for Doy. Now serving Caminio. Set. Imba denied for the placement. Free ball for the Young Guns. Set at the open side. Defended. And Bentong push. Set. And Caballero who puts it away. Now Sir Bentong and Imba adjusts. And huli. Sir, another Bentong denied by the blockers. Bentong receives Sergio and Doy who overcooks it. Now serving the Young Guns, Caminio. Imba for the spike and for the counter, Caballero. But there's a call, 2 touches for Sir Christian, set to Imba. Down the line, Camino, set, Caballero, hulog for the counter. Bentong, set, and Imba. Down the line, and Imba now serving. Camino, set, back set. But there's a call. Now Bentong serves, Caballero. And Caballero for the tira. Bentong is there. Yan, diretso for another attack. Checked. Because open area. Down the line hit. Caballero. Now serving Camino with a good serve. Nice receive. And Imba blocked by the towers. Set and Doy. Now serving Sir Christian. Set. Caballero. Cross court attack. Now serving. Set. Imba on a jump ball. Bentong. And binigay sa open. Caballero. Set. Binigay ulit kay Caballero. Off the hands of Christian. Bentong receives. Over receive. Regalo for the Young Guns. And another serve. Set. Binigay sa open. Denied by the Young Guns. And congratulations Young Guns for winning the game.